Hey guys, check out, look what I got here. Got a little pond, and I needed some way of making the water aerated, and the best way is this little fountain here, solar powered fountain pump, and it's dead small, really cool. So let's get it open, see what's in the box. So basically this thing works all by itself, no electric required. Alright, so the box is handy. Anyway, this is with the instructions. A solar powered water fountain with various nozzles and this, that, the other. Let's get straight into this. Tells you which is the best way, works by the sun. If the solar fountain doesn't work, try this, try that. And let's get straight into it. There's the instructions there. Let's have a look at the fountain itself. Right. So there's no batteries in this at all, and there's the solar power ring that goes all the way around, all those little individual solar power cells all connected up. Underneath they've got a filter, and there's the little motor as well. So there's the filter there, you can see. So first thing we're going to do is take this film off, because that will affect, it's only just to protect the solar panel, so we don't need that. Got to take that off. And then the next thing we're going to do is check out these fountain nozzles. So I've got quite a few here. Just put the fountain there a minute. We just want it just to go up and down really. That's just a single nozzle. That's the extension part. And then what we're going to do now, so if you see on the instructions of the spray bit, got C1, C2, C3, C5, or it just goes C5, oh C4's down there, C6, and then, right, so looking at that, that's the extension. We're not going to use the extension because it will shoot the fountain further up. I don't think we'll be using. That's just a single spray bit by the looks of it. It'll just fit on there, and it's just one single squirt of water. That'll just be a little spray bit as well. I think. And then we put that on, and these do the different buttons. You just click into place, turn it, twist it, stick it on. Anyway, without further ado, let's have a look. So already you can hear it screaming because we're in a good sunny place here. Hey, look at that. I think that looks quite cool, that, folks. Somehow I need to make some kind of system so it's not going to be all over, because I don't want it at the edge. I hope you like this video, and I might try some more fountain nozzles. Hope the sun's going in. Thanks very much for watching.